Morning everyone. Today our students going to present a case study on Netflix recommendation system, one of the best real world application of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Let me begin with a simple question. Have you ever opened Netflix and wondered how it always seems to know how exactly what you want to watch? Whether it recommends an exciting action movie, a romantic comedy, or thrilling web series. Netflix somehow understand your interest. This is not magic. It is the power of machine learning and recommendation systems. Netflix is one of the world's largest streaming platform with millions of subscribers watching thousands of movies, TV shows, documentaries, and web series every day. Since the platform contains such a huge collection of content, users often face a common problem is they don't know what to watch next. So imagine entering a library with thousands of books, but no idea which one matches your interest. You would probably spend a lot of time searching and still might not find something you like. The same problem exists on streaming platforms. Netflix understood that if users spends too much time searching for content, they may become frustrated or even stop using the platform. So instead of making users search endlessly, Netflix decided to bring the right content directly to them. This led to the development of the Netflix recommendation system. The recommendation system is an intelligent software system that predicts what a user is likely to enjoy based on their interest and behavior. So instead of showing the same movies to every user, Netflix create a personalized homepage for each and individual user. For example, if you usually watch action movie, crime thrillers and superhero films, Netflix will recommend similar content. So on the other hand, if someone else enjoys romantic dramas, comedy shows or documentaries, their recommend will be completely different. So the interesting part is that Netflix continuously learn from every action performed by the user. It observes what you watch, how long you watch, what you finish or stop halfway, which movie you like to rate highly, which you search for, even the time of the day you usually watch. Using all this information, machine learning algorithm identify the patterns in your viewing habits and predict what you are mostly likely to watch next. As you continue using Netflix, the recommendation become more accurate because the system keeps learning from your behavior. So this personalized recommendation system provides benefits to both users and Netflix. For users, it saves time, reduce confusion, and helps them discover movies and shows they may never have found on their own. Instead of spending 20 minutes searching, they can immediately start watching something they enjoy. So for Netflix, it increases the customer satisfaction, keeps viewers engaged for longer periods, and encourage them to continue the subscription. In fact, Netflix has reported that a large majority of the content watched on the platform comes from its recommendation system. So showing how important personalization is to its success. In today's presentation, we will understand this case study in detail. We will discuss the problem Netflix faced, how machine learning solved the problem, the algorithms used in recommendation system, the benefits and challenges, and finally the business impact of this technology. So let's begin by understanding the problem that Netflix wanted to solve and how its recommendation system transferred the streaming experience for millions of users around the world. So now our students going to explain this case study. Thank you.